The Secret Lives of Backyard Birds. In the quiet backyard, a world of adventure unfolded daily. Bella, the clever blue jay, had a knack for borrowing shiny objects. She would stash bottle caps and coins in her secret nest, creating a dazzling treasure trove. Nearby, Charlie the Sparrow led a dance troupe. At dawn, he orchestrated choreographed flutters with his flock, their synchronized moves creating mesmerizing patterns in the sky. Under the old oak tree, Penny the robin loved gardening. She would carefully dig up soil, helping worms resurface, much to the delight of her feathered friends. Though small and often overlooked, these backyard birds lived extraordinary lives, turning every day into an adventure filled with treasure hunts, sky valleys, and acts of teamwork.